Have you ever wondered about the secrets hidden in the misty peaks of the Andes, where the ancient Inca civilization of Machu Picchu remains? Perched high in the Andes Mountains in the heart of Peru lies the mysterious city of Machu Picchu. This ancient Inca city is not just a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, it's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a badge of honor signifying its global cultural and historical significance. Its stone structures, seemingly untouched by time, tell tales of a bygone era, captivating history enthusiasts. But it's not just for the historians, oh no. Adventure seekers are drawn to its rugged mountain trails, the adrenaline-inducing heights, and the breathtaking vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. Machu Picchu, an enigma nestled in the clouds, is a symbol of the enduring spirit of the Inca civilization and a monument to human endeavor. Join us as we delve into the fascinating history of this mystical city. Imagine a time when the Inca Empire was at its zenith, ruling over the largest empire in pre-Columbian America. Picture a civilization that emerged from the highlands of Peru in the early 13th century. This, my friends, is the birth of the Inca civilization. Now let's delve into the societal structure of the Incas. The Inca society was a complex hierarchy with the Sapa Inca, or the emperor, at the top. He was considered the son of the sun god, Inti, and his word was law. Below him were nobles and officials who managed the empire's administrative and religious affairs. At the bottom of the structure were the commoners, the backbone of the empire, who worked the land and paid taxes in the form of labor. The Inca culture was rich and diverse, with a blend of myths, rituals, and festivals. They worshipped many gods and believed in life after death. Their art was an expression of their beliefs and daily life, with intricate pottery, textiles, and metalwork. In terms of technological advancements, the Incas were nothing short of remarkable. Without the wheel or iron tools, they built an extensive road network across the rugged Andes. They were masters of agriculture, developing terrace farming and irrigation systems that allowed them to grow crops on steep mountain slopes. Now, within this captivating civilization nestled high in the Andes was the city of Machu Picchu. Known as the Lost City of the Incas, it was a marvel of architecture and engineering. Built in the 15th century, it was a symbol of the Incas' power and prowess. The city was a blend of residential, agricultural, and religious structures, all harmoniously integrated with the stunning natural landscape. The Incas, with their advanced society, vibrant culture, and technological prowess, were truly a civilization ahead of their time. And Machu Picchu, this city in the clouds, was their crowning glory. Let's journey into the heart of this civilization, to the city of Machu Picchu. Imagine the monumental task of constructing a city on the top of a mountain with only primitive tools at your disposal. This was the daunting challenge faced by the Incas when they set out to build Machu Picchu. The sheer scale of the project was nothing short of mind-boggling. Picture this: a city perched high in the clouds, nestled among the rugged peaks of the Andes. The Incas not only had to transport massive stones up these sheer cliffs, but they also had to shape them into precise blocks that fit seamlessly together without the use of mortar. The architectural style of Machu Picchu is a testament to the Incas' ingenuity and their deep understanding of their environment. The structures were built in harmony with the landscape, following the natural contours of the land. They incorporated terraces for farming, which also served to stabilize the mountain slope. The buildings themselves, made of polished, dry stone walls, are examples of a technique called ashlar, where stones are cut to fit together without mortar. The city was built with a keen eye on the celestial bodies. Temples, homes, and agricultural terraces all bear witness to the Incas' astronomical knowledge, with many structures aligning with the sun, moon, and stars during key points in the annual calendar. The construction of Machu Picchu was a feat of engineering that would be impressive even by today's standards, but the Incas faced numerous challenges during the construction. The altitude, the harsh weather, and the steep rocky terrain would have made every step of the process difficult and dangerous. Yet the Incas persevered, driven by their unwavering belief in their gods and their desire to build a city that would stand as a testament to their civilization's greatness. The result of this Herculean effort is the breathtaking city we see today. Machu Picchu stands as a testament to human ingenuity and resilience, a city built against all odds in one of the most inhospitable environments on Earth. It's a reminder of the heights humanity can reach when we dare to dream big and work together to make those dreams a reality. But what happens when an empire falls? What becomes of its cities and its people? Machu Picchu, the once thriving city of the Incas, experienced a dramatic decline leading to its eventual abandonment. The reasons behind this fall are complex and multifaceted, with several theories attempting to explain this historical mystery. One prevailing theory is that the city was abandoned due to a decline in the Inca civilization. This decline was largely attributed to internal conflicts and civil wars which weakened the empire from within. The city's isolation, initially an advantage, became a significant disadvantage as resources became scarce and the city could no longer sustain its population. Another theory suggests that the Spanish conquest played a significant role in the abandonment of Machu Picchu. The Spanish arrival in the 16th century brought with it diseases like smallpox, which decimated the Inca population. While there's no concrete evidence that the Spanish ever set foot in Machu Picchu, their impact was nonetheless felt across the Inca Empire. But it's important to note that these are just theories, and the true reason for Machu Picchu's abandonment remains shrouded in mystery. The lack of definitive historical records has left historians and archaeologists piecing together clues trying to solve this ancient puzzle. What we do know is that, after its abandonment, Machu Picchu was slowly reclaimed by nature. Lush vegetation engulfed its stone structures, and the city was lost to the world, hiding in plain sight amidst the rugged Andean landscape. Despite its fall, Machu Picchu remains a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the Inca civilization. Even in its abandoned state, it echoes tales of a time when it was a bustling city, full of life and activity. The city was left to the elements, lost in time, waiting to be rediscovered. The grandeur of Machu Picchu, however, could not remain hidden forever. But that, dear listeners, is a story for another time. In the early 20th century, a forgotten city was rediscovered, bringing a piece of history back to life. As the dawn of the 20th century approached, an American explorer named Hiram Bingham embarked on a journey that would lead to a remarkable discovery. In 1911, guided by local farmers, Bingham stumbled upon the overgrown ruins of what we now know as Machu Picchu. A city that had remained hidden from the world for centuries, shrouded in the mists of the Andes, was finally revealed. Bingham, initially seeking the fabled lost city of the Incas, Vilcabamba, was taken aback by the magnificence of his accidental find. He spent years excavating the site, unearthing treasures that provided invaluable insight into the Inca civilization. From intricate stone structures to artifacts that depicted daily life, Bingham's findings painted a vivid picture of a society that thrived in harmony with its challenging environment. But the rediscovery was just the beginning. The subsequent decades saw a surge of restoration efforts to reclaim Machu Picchu from the clutches of time and nature. Stone by stone, the city was resurrected, revealing its complex architecture, advanced agricultural terraces, and sacred temples. The restoration work, painstaking yet rewarding, breathed new life into the city, allowing it to echo the tales of its glorious past. The world couldn't remain indifferent to the grandeur of Machu Picchu. In 1983, UNESCO recognized this city in the clouds as a World Heritage Site, acknowledging its outstanding universal value. This prestigious title not only amplified its global appeal, but also reinforced the need for its continued preservation. Today, Machu Picchu serves as a window into the past, allowing us to marvel at the ingenuity of a civilization that could create such an architectural masterpiece on the rugged slopes of the Andes. It's a testament to the resilience of the Inca people, their culture, and their unwavering bond with nature. Machu Picchu, once lost, now stands as a testament to the ingenuity and resilience of the Inca civilization. Today, Machu Picchu serves as a window into the past, a glimpse of an ancient civilization's glory. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, tucked away in the majestic Andes Mountains, is a beacon of cultural preservation and historical research. It offers a unique insight into the architectural prowess and societal structures of the Incas, a civilization that flourished centuries ago. Each year, hundreds of thousands of people from all corners of the globe make the pilgrimage to this awe-inspiring site. It's not just the allure of the ancient ruins that draw them in, but also the stunning natural beauty that surrounds it. Machu Picchu has become a powerhouse of tourism, driving economic growth and creating countless opportunities for the local communities. It's not just a monument of the past, but a living, breathing entity that continues to contribute to our understanding of human history. Machu Picchu continues to inspire us, a timeless symbol of human endeavor and perseverance.